What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am going to be using this makeup look using the Reina del Caribe palette, and this is by Alamar Cosmetic. This was in the June BoxyCharm. So you guys know that I'm gonna start doing some monthly boxes from the subscription BoxyCharm. So I did one for July and I'm waiting for my August BoxyCharm so that I can make that video for you guys. But I had two products that I had not used because for July I did use all of the products that I got in June and in July. Just because I didn't do a video for June, I kind of just wanted to see like what I was going to be getting more or less. So I waited until July to do that, and then now I have done a video and you guys really seem to like it. So I'm going to be doing that every month from now on, every time I get my box in the mail. So this was one of the palettes that we got in June. The palette for July was the Crown palette, and I actually have a look using all of those products, so I'll leave that on the iCard up on top. The colors are so pretty. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, and if you guys are enjoying these makeup looks, then give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just go ahead and get right into the video. But I'm gonna go in with my Nivea soft moisturizer. I'm gonna put just a little bit of this on.
Mommy.
Ande.
I'm like no break.
I also still have a little bit of redness here. My eye's still a little bit swollen. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay De-Slick Complexion Primer. Yeah, and I'm gonna put it on my nose, on my chin. For my foundation, I am going to use my all-time favorite. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I usually use mine in the shade, I use Golden Beige, 368C Golden Beige, and this time I had to pick up 370C Bronze Beige. So I hope that it's not that much darker because they didn't have the shade that I use all the time. So I'm gonna go in with this one and then just put it all over my face. I need to wash my brushes so bad. I'm gonna go and wash my sponge and I'll be right back. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this in. For my concealer, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. I actually want to pick up the new one. It's been a long time since I buy it, but I want to see like what are like the new thing, because obviously I know what's coming out, right? Like I keep up with the trends, I keep up with all of the new stuff, but I haven't bought it and I haven't seen, I don't know, I just don't know what to buy. It's not like I need any more makeup because the only thing like that I ever run out of is like foundation and stuff. The only thing I ever really run out of is like foundation and stuff like that. But I like my drugstore foundation. I think I'm going to try to cream contour today just because that's something I never do. I made him buy this for me when I was pregnant and I loved it. I just never used it. So I'm going to use this today. It looks kind of splotchy, like kind of like muddy. You also don't have to use like this expensive product. Another one that works just as good is this Wet n Wild Mega Cushion. What is this? It's like a liquid contour because it's not a cream, it's more like a liquid. And this one is like $3–4 at the store. So you guys could always use like cheaper alternatives to this stuff. But I just have this, so that's why I'm using it. But you definitely don't have to go out and spend $55 on this product because I honestly never use it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. As always, I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Coty loose face powder, or the Airspun loose face powder. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use this loose powder. This is in the shade Transparent also. And this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. For my bronzer, I'm going to try, or like for my powder bronzer, I'm going to try to use something that I haven't used in quite a while. So I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade C9 Deep Cool. I always bronze my forehead. I just feel like it makes my makeup look better. I don't know if I could ever do my makeup and not do it. If you guys don't do it, try it and let me know what you guys think. But it's something that I always have to do now, because I don't know, I feel like it just gives my face like almost like some different shape. So I just do it. I don't think I've ever used this blush. This is the Love Hangover blush by Too Faced, and it's such a pretty color, but honestly I don't think I've ever used it, so I'm going to use it today. So now I'm gonna go in with my blusher. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love this blush too. I mean the brush. Whenever I go a little bit overboard with the blush or whatever, I always just go over it with my sponge that I use to apply my foundation and stuff, and that sort of fixes the problem. I'm gonna go in with the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. This is a highlighter, and I'm going to use mine in the shade Champagne Pop just because I haven't used it in so long. Ooh, girl. I forgot how pigmented this little guy was. So my brows are on, but I'm just gonna carve them out just a little bit, and I don't know if you guys want to be zoomed in for this. That's literally all I do though, and then I just drag it down. For my eyeballs, let's get into the good part. I don't know what kind of look I want to go for. I don't know if I should try like a glitter, because I have a ton of glitters that I bought from Bisou that I have not used, and they're literally just there like chilling. I am going to use this palette. This is a palette we got in the June BoxyCharm, and this is the Volume 1 Reina del Caribe Alamar palette. And so I had told you guys in my last BoxyCharm video that I was going to be doing another video using this, so the day has come, and I'm gonna go in with Coco Taxi, which is this shade right here. And this color, it says that you can use it dry. I don't know if you guys can see the little suns it has right here next to it, and this one has a water drop. So does this one, and this one. And the ones that have water drops are the ones that you can use with water or like Fix Plus or anything like that. I'm gonna go in with Coco Taxi, and I'm going to put that into my crease. It sucks that this doesn't have a mirror though. I wish it did, because if it did, that would just make it so much better. Going in with a more flat brush like this one, I'm gonna go in with Tropico, which is the color right next to Coco Taxi, and I'm going to put that into my crease, but more lower into it. Now I'm going to go in with Cafecito, which is this brown shade right here, on a smaller brush, and I'm going to put this only into, or I'm going to try to put this only in my outer corner. See if I don't drag it everywhere, because usually that's what tends to happen. I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand. I'm going to cut my crease, or not really like cut my crease. I'm going to just put concealer on there. And then now I'm gonna go in with Cafecito and just slowly blend that into that concealer. I'm gonna go in with El Malecón, which is the kind of like a no, what color is this? Kind of like, it's like a golden shade. And I'm going to use some Fix Plus with this on a flat shader brush. So alright, not bad, not bad. So I'm gonna go back in with Tropico, which is this one, and I'm going to just put it in my crease just to add some definition in there. And I think I'm even gonna go in with this one right here, just to add some smokiness right here. And then now I'm gonna go in with Cafecito, and I'm just gonna go over that. I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner. Y'all, I'm gonna have to put on falsies now. I'm gonna put a thin coat of mascara on. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this mascara a chance to dry. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the other, and then we'll be right back to put on some lashes and finish off with the lips. Alright, my friends, the other eyeball is done. Now we're gonna do lashes. I just had a quick jam out session, and look at what I found. These are the lashes that came in the June box. Also, these are from Baddington Lashes, and they're so pretty. So pretty. So I'm gonna use these. They look somewhat natural. Eye on first, and pray to God that it sticks. Pray to the makeup god. Yay! So I really like the way that this look turned out, although I don't know what kind of lip I'm going to do with it. I would use like a brown, but I don't know, I feel like I use brown for everything. Or like, you know. You guys, they're so cute. This Ofra liquid lipstick in Miami Fever. Let's try this out. Just like that. So pretty. So it kind of clashes with the shirt that I'm wearing, because I'm wearing like a sky blue shirt, but I'm living for this makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next one. Also, let me know what you guys want to see, what kind of looks you guys want to see. If you want to see more of like a back to school look, or because I know like that's right around the corner. I know the kids where I live are going back in like a week or something. So if that's a look that you guys want to see, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up so that I'll know to do that next. And if you guys want to see more dramatic looks, whatever you guys want to see, just let me know in the comments down below so that I'll know like what to film for you guys. And yeah, now I'm gonna go wash this off. So we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Bye.